of the following is the principal value branch of cos inverse x? ഇതിൽ ഈ ബി പാർട്ട് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഓപ്പൺ ഇൻ്റർവെൽ ആണ്. ബി പാർട്ട് ഈസ് ദി ഓപ്പൺ ഇൻ്റർവെൽ 0 pi. ഓക്കെ, സോ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ വാല്യൂ branch of cos inverse x is 0 pi. ഓക്കെ, 0 pi is the principal value of the branch of cos inverse x. Next is, which of the following is the principal value branch of cosec inverse x? So cosec inverse x closed interval minus pi by 2 pi by 2. അതിൽ ആ ഇൻവേഴ്സ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ഡിഫൈൻ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ by heart the domain and range of all the 6 inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, now 3 tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi. Then 3 tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi. Okay, see this 3 tan inverse x is 2 tan inverse x plus tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi. Now tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is pi by 2, that is 2 tan inverse x plus pi by 2 equal to pi, or 2 tan inverse x is equal to pi minus pi by 2, 2 tan inverse x is equal to pi by 2, tan inverse x is equal to pi by 4, x is equal to tan pi by 4, which is equal to 1. Okay, now the fourth one, the value of sine inverse of cos of 33 pi by 5. Okay, which is equal to sine inverse of cos of 6 pi plus 3 pi by 5. Okay, that's equal to sine inverse of, which is cos 3 pi by 5. Okay, 6 pi plus 3 pi by 5 is same ratio, cos of 3 pi by 5, which is equal to, the reason is cos of 2n pi plus theta is equal to cos theta. So that is the reason, 6 pi, reason for this step. Okay, that is sine inverse of cos 3 pi by 6 is 3 pi by 5 is cos of pi by 2 plus pi by 10. Okay, that is equal to sine inverse of, which is minus sine pi by 10, which is equal to sine inverse of minus x is minus sine inverse of sine pi by 10, which is equal to minus pi by 10. Okay, next one, the domain of cos inverse of 2x minus 1, cos inverse of 2x minus 1 domain. Okay, see we have cos inverse of 2x minus 1 is the function, y is equal to the function cos inverse of 2x minus 1. So this cos inverse of x is minus 1 less than or equal to this 2x minus 1 less than or equal to 1. If y is equal to cos inverse x, then the x lies in between minus 1 and 1. Here x is 2x minus 1, in between minus 1 and 1. So 1 is added, minus 1 plus 1 less than or equal to 2x minus 1 plus 1 less than or equal to 1 plus 1. That is 0 less than or equal to 2x less than or equal to 2. Now dividing by 2, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. That is x belongs to closed interval 0, 1 is the domain of this function. Now the value of cos inverse of 3 pi by 2. Okay, which is equal to cos inverse of 3 pi by 2. Which is equal to cos inverse of odd multiple of pi by 2 is 0. That is equal to pi by 2. Okay. Reason that is cos of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Odd multiple of pi by 2 is always 0, where n belongs to z. Next one, the value of the expression 2 sec inverse 2 plus sin inverse 1 by 2. Okay, that's equal to 2 into sec inverse 2 is cos inverse half is cos 60, that is pi by 3. 2 into pi by 3 plus sin inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 6, that is 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 6, which is equal to 5 pi by 6. Okay. Next one, sin inverse x plus sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to 2 pi by 3. Okay. Now sin inverse x is pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. See, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. So, the sin inverse x is pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Sin inverse y is pi by 2 minus cos inverse y is equal to 2 pi by 3. So, pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is pi minus 2 pi by 3 equal to cos inverse x plus cos inverse y, that is cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to 3 pi minus 2 pi, that is pi by 3. Okay. Next one, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. See, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to 4 pi by 5. This tan inverse x is pi by 2 minus cot inverse x plus pi by 2 minus cot inverse y equal to 4 pi by 5. Pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is pi minus 4 pi by 5 equal to cot inverse x plus cot inverse y, that is cot inverse x plus cot inverse y is equal to 5 pi minus 4 pi by 5. Okay. Next one, the principal value of cos inverse minus half. Cos inverse minus half. Principal value of cos inverse minus half. This minus half is cos of second quadrant, which is equal to, let it be theta or x. Then cos x is equal to minus half. Okay. Now cos of pi minus x, cos x is equal to half implies x is equal to pi by 3. Now cos of pi minus pi by 3 equal to cos of minus cos pi by 3, which is minus half, that is 3 pi minus pi, that is cos of 2 pi by 3 is equal to minus half. Okay. So minus half we can be replaced by cos of 2 pi by 3, that is principal value is equal to 2 pi by 3. Principal value is 2 pi by 3. Okay. Next one, the value of sin inverse of sin 3 pi by 5. Sin inverse of sin 3 pi by 5 is equal to sine inverse of sine 3 pi by 5 is pi minus 2 pi by 5. Okay, that's equal to sine inverse of sine pi minus theta is sine theta, sine 2 pi by 5, which is equal to 2 pi by 5. Okay, now the set of values of sec inverse of half, sec inverse half. See, the domain of sec inverse x is real number set minus open interval minus 1 1. അതായത് ഹാഫിനകത്ത് വരത്തില്ല. So see the function sec inverse x, the domain does not containing half, so there is no set of values exist for, that is there is no set of values exist for sec inverse of half. Okay, so therefore phi is the answer. Okay, next is cos inverse of cos 14 pi by 3 equal to cos inverse of cos of 4 pi plus 2 pi by 3. Okay, that's equal to cos inverse of 4 pi plus 2 pi by 3 is cos 2 pi by 3, so which is equal to 2 pi by 3. Next, tan inverse x plus cot inverse root 3 equal to 0. Then the value of x, cos of tan inverse x plus cot inverse root 3 equal to 0. Okay, therefore tan inverse x plus cot inverse root 3 is equal to cos inverse 0, which is pi by 2. Okay, now tan inverse x plus tan inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus cot inverse root 3. That is tan inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus cot inverse root 3 is tan inverse root 3. So x is equal to root 3. Okay. Next one, the value of cos of sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. Cos of sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to cos of pi by 2, cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. Okay. Now the expression tan of sin inverse x plus cos inverse x by 2. Okay, which is equal to tan of sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2 by 2, that is tan pi by 4, that's equal to 1. Okay, next one, the value of cot of tan inverse a plus cot inverse a is equal to cot of tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is pi by 2, cot pi by 2, that is cot pi by 2 is 0. Next one, sin of, the value of sin of pi by 3 minus sin inverse of minus half. Okay, that is sin of pi by 3 minus sin inverse of sin minus pi by 6. Sin inverse of minus half is sine of minus pi by 6, that is sine minus sine 30 എന്ന് വരും, minus half എന്നാണ്. Okay, that's equal to sine of pi by 3 plus pi by 6, that is sine 90, sine pi by 2 1. Next, if sine inverse 1 by 3 equal to cot inverse pi by 2, sorry, sine inverse 1 by 3 plus cos inverse x, sine inverse 1 by 3 plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, then cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse 1 by 3, that is cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 by 3, so x is equal to 1 by 3. Next, write the principal value of cos inverse of cos of 680. Okay, cos inverse of cos of 680 is equal to cos inverse of the 680 is 720 minus 40. Okay, that is equal to cos inverse of cos 40, that is equal to 40 degree. 40 degree. The 720 minus 40 lies in 720 minus 40 lies in fourth quadrant. Okay, fourth quadrant, cos ratio is positive, so cos 40. So cos inverse of cos 40 is equal to 40 degree. Okay. Now the principal value of tan inverse of sine minus pi by 2 is equal to tan inverse of sine minus pi by 2, that is equal to minus sine pi by 2, that is tan inverse of minus 1. Okay, tan inverse of minus 1 is minus tan inverse of 1, that is equal to minus pi by 4. Okay, next one, sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1. Sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1. So therefore sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to, see, sine 90 is 1, sine of pi by 2 is 1, or which is sine inverse of 1 which is equal to pi by 2. Okay, now cos inverse x is equal to, therefore cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse 1 by 5, that is cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse 1 by 5 is cos inverse 1 by 5, so x is equal to 1 by 5. Okay, next one, find the value of cot pi by 2 minus 2 cot inverse root 3 is equal to cot of pi by 2 minus 2 into, what is cot inverse root 3? Cot 30 is root 3. Okay, so 30 is pi by 6, that is equal to cot of pi by 2 minus pi by 3, cot 90 minus theta, that is tan 30, or pi by 2 minus pi by 3 is cot 60. Okay, cot pi by 3. So what is quarter pi by 3? Which is quarter pi by, not pi by 2 minus pi by 3 is pi by 6. Okay. Pi by 6, that is equal to root 3. Next one. Write the value of cos inverse minus half plus 2 sin inverse half, which is equal to cos inverse of minus half, which is equal to cos inverse of this is cos minus half is cos of 2 pi by 3. Cos 2 pi by 3 plus 2 into sin inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 6. Okay, that is 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 3, which is equal to pi. Write the value of tan of 2 tan inverse 1 by 5. Okay, that's equal to tan of 2 tan inverse x is tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square 25. Okay, that is equal to tan inverse of 2 by 5 divided by 24 by 25. That is equal to tan inverse of 2 by 5 into 25 by 24. That is equal to tan inverse 5 by 12 is equal to 5 by 12. Write the principal value of tan inverse root 3 plus cot inverse of minus root 3. Okay, that's equal to tan inverse root 3 is pi by 6 plus cot inverse of minus root 3. Cot inverse of minus root 3 ke x equal to x, then cot x is equal to minus root 3. Now cot of pi minus pi by 6, is equal to minus cot pi by 6. Second quadrant minus cot pi by 6, that is minus root 3. So 6 pi minus pi, 5 pi by 6, that is cot of 5 pi by 6 is equal to minus root 3. Okay, so cot inverse of minus root 3 is 5 pi by 6, which is equal to tan inverse root 3, tan 60 pi by 3 that is 2 pi by 6 plus 5 pi by 6, that is equal to 7 pi by 6. Okay, write the value of tan inverse 2 sin of 2 cos inverse root 3 by 2. Okay, that's equal to tan inverse of 2 sin of 2 into cos inverse root 3 by 2. This cos inverse root 3 by 2 is pi by 6. Okay, so which is equal to tan inverse of 2 into sin pi by 3. Sine 60. That is tan inverse of 2 into sine pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. That is tan inverse of root 3, tan inverse root 3, which is equal to pi by 3. Okay. Next one. Find the value of tan inverse root 3. Tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse of minus root 3. Okay. Which is equal to tan inverse of root 3 minus cot inverse of negative x is pi minus cot inverse of root 3. Okay. That is tan inverse root 3 minus pi plus cot inverse root 3. Now tan inverse root 3 plus cot inverse root 3 is pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus pi is equal to minus pi by 2. Okay. Next one. Simplify cot inverse of 1 by root of x square minus 1. Okay. Now put x is equal to sec theta. Put x is equal to sec theta. So theta equal to sec inverse x. So our function become, expression become 1 by root of sec square theta minus 1. Okay. That is equal to cot inverse of 1 by c square theta minus 1. C square theta minus 1. Tan square theta. So which is root of tan square theta, that is cot inverse of 1 by tan theta, which is equal to cot inverse of cot theta, which is equal to theta. Now what is theta? Theta is equal to sec inverse x. Here we should apply the condition x is less than minus 1. So when x is less than minus 1, when x is less than minus 1, sec theta is less than minus 1. That is sec theta, that is pi by 2 in second quater, in between pi by 2 less than theta less than pi. Okay. So one by root of tan square theta is 1 by tan theta, that is cot theta. This theta, this function should be negative. Okay. That's equal to cot inverse of minus cot inverse of minus cot theta. That is equal to cot inverse of cot of pi minus theta. That's equal to pi minus theta is equal to pi minus sec inverse x. Okay. Next one. 4 sin inverse x. 4 sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi. Okay. That is 3 sin inverse x plus sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi. This 4 sin inverse x is split into 3 sin inverse x plus sin inverse x. Now sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. So 3 sin inverse x is equal to pi minus pi by 2. That is 3 sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2, or sin inverse x is equal to pi by 6. Okay. X is equal to sin pi by 6, that is x is equal to 1 by 2. Next one. Prove that 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Okay. Now we have cos 3 theta is equal to cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Put x is equal to cos theta, so that theta is equal to cos inverse x. So this function become cos 3 theta equal to 4x cube minus 3x, or 3 theta equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. That is 3 into theta is cos inverse x. 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Okay. Next one, 3 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. See, we have sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Put x is equal to sin theta. So theta equal to sin inverse x. So this function become sin 3 theta equal to 3x minus 4x cube, or 3 theta is equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. That is 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Okay. Now the fifth one, sin inverse of sin x plus cos x by root 2 equal to sin inverse of sin x into 1 by root 2 plus cos x into 1 by root 2. Okay, that is sin inverse of sin x into this 1 by root 2 is cos pi by 4, sin x into cos pi by 4 plus cos x into sin pi by 4. That is equal to sin inverse of sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. That is equal to sin of x plus pi by 4. Okay, that's equal to x plus pi by 4. Okay. Next one, sin inverse x plus sin inverse of 1 minus x is equal to cos inverse x. Solve for x. Now sin of, taking sin ratio on both sides, sin of sin inverse x plus sin inverse of 1 minus x equal to sin of cos inverse x. Okay. Now we can apply sin, this is of the form sin x plus y form, sin x plus y form, or sin a plus b form. Sin a cos b, sin a cos b plus cos a to sin b equal to sin of cos inverse x. Okay. Now sin of sin inverse x is equal to x into, now cos of sin inverse x is, cos of the sin inverse of x is cos inverse of root 1 minus x square. X means 1 minus x the whole square. The sin inverse 1 minus x is cos inverse of root of 1 minus, here the x is 1 minus x square, plus cos of sin inverse x is cos inverse of root 1 minus x square into sin inverse of sin of sin inverse x, sin of sin inverse 1 minus x is 1 minus x equal to sin of cos inverse x is sin inverse of root 1 minus x square. Okay. that is x into root of 1 minus 2x plus x square plus root of 1 minus x square into 1 minus x is equal to root 1 minus x square. Okay. So x into here root of 1 minus 1 cancel, 2x minus x square, 2x minus x square plus root 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus x square into 1 minus x minus root of 1 minus x square equal to 0. Okay. So x into root of 2x minus x square plus, now here root of 1 minus x square is common, root of 1 minus x square into 1 minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, 1 cancel. Here x is common, so x into root of 2x minus x square minus root of 1 minus x square equal to 0. So either x is equal to 0 or root of 2x minus x square equal to root of 1 minus x square, or 2x minus x square equal to 1 minus x square. X square get cancelled, 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. So x is equal to 1 by 2 and x is equal to 0. Next one. If cos inverse x by a plus cos inverse y by b, if cos inverse of x by a plus cos inverse of y by b equal to alpha, say let, then prove that. So ഇത് ആദ്യത്തേന് ക്യാപിറ്റൽ എന്നും രണ്ടാമത്തേത് ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ബി എന്ന് കൊടുക്കുക. Let a plus b is equal to alpha, where a is equal to cos inverse of x by a and b equal to cos inverse of y by b. Therefore x by a is equal to cos a and y by b equal to cos b. Okay, so what is sin a? Sin a is equal to root of 1 minus cos square a, that is root of 1 minus x square by a square. Okay. Now cosine b is equal to root of 1 minus cos square b, that is equal to root of 1 minus y square by b square. Okay. Now we have to find x square by a square. Then we have to prove that x square by a square minus 2xy, okay, 2xy by ab cos alpha plus y square by b square equal to sin square alpha. That is we have to prove. Now a plus b is equal to alpha. A plus b is equal to alpha. Okay. What is cos a plus b? Cos a plus b, taking cos ratio on both sides, cos alpha. Now cos a plus b is expanded as cos a cos b minus sin a sin b equal to cos alpha. Now cos a is x by a into y by b minus sin a sin b, root 1 minus x square by a square into root 1 minus y square by b square equal to cos alpha. Okay. Now squaring both sides. So after this cos alpha, taken to the left hand side of this equation, xy divided by ab minus cos alpha equal to root of 1 minus x square by a square into root of 1 minus y square by b square. Now squaring xy divided by ab minus cos alpha the whole square equal to 1 minus x square by a square into 1 minus y square by b square. Okay. Now expanding x square by a square or x square y square by a square b square minus 2 into xy divided by ab plus cos square alpha is equal to right side expand ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 1 minus y square by b square minus x square by a square into 1 minus x square by a square. The last term is plus x square y square by a square b square. So that term get cancelled. Okay. Now bring these two negative terms to the left hand side. So x square by a square minus 2xy by ab 2xy by ab cos alpha 2xy ab cos alpha plus y square by b square equal to 1 minus cos square alpha. So 1 minus cos square alpha is sin square alpha. Okay. Next one. Tan inverse of root 1 plus cos x plus root 1 minus cos x divided by root 1 plus cos x minus root of 1 minus cos x is equal to tan inverse of root 1 plus cos root of 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 plus root of 2 sin square x by 2 by root of 2 cos square x by 2 minus root of 2 sin square x by 2. Okay. So that is equal to here x less than pi less than x less than 3 pi by 2. Okay, that is the condition. Now tan inverse of cos square x by 2 taking the square root which is plus or minus root 2 cos x by 2. Since this pi by 2, this pi less than x less than 3 pi by 2, pi less than x less than 3 pi by 2, we have pi by 2 less than x by 2 less than 3 pi by 4. So that is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, we have cos ratio should be negative. Okay. So that is negative root 2 cos x by 2 plus root 2 sin x by 2 divided by minus root 2 cos x by 2 plus root 2 sin x by 2, not plus minus. Okay. Now root 2 get cancelled. So that is tan inverse of sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 So if we take negative sign outside, negative of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 divided by negative of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Okay. So this negative get cancelled. Now dividing the numerator and denominator by cos x by 2, tan inverse of which is 1 minus tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan x by 2, dividing the numerator and denominator by cos x by 2, which is equal to tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus x by 2, that is equal to pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay. Next one. Prove that tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 8. So left hand side is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 8 is equal to, first one is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y plus tan inverse of 1 by 8, that is tan inverse of, which is 7 by 10 divided by 10 minus 1, 9 by 10, okay, plus tan inverse of 1 by 8. So by 10 cancel. Again apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse of 7 by 9 plus 1 by 8 divided by 1 minus 7 by 9 into 1 by 8. Okay, that is equal to tan inverse of 65 by 72 divided by 72 minus 7, 65 by 72. That is equal to tan inverse of 1, which is pi by 4. Okay. Next one. Solve 2 tan inverse of cos x. 2 tan inverse of cos x equal to tan inverse of 2 cosec x. Okay. Now 2 tan inverse of cos x. See, 2 tan inverse of cos x can be written as tan inverse of 2 cos x by 1 minus cos square x equal to tan inverse of 2 cosec x. The reason is 2 tan inverse x can be written as, see, tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. So it is equal to 2 cos x by sin square x equal to 2 by sin x. So 2 cancel. Okay. Now sin x cos x is equal to sin x cos x is equal to sin square x. Okay. Or sin x into cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. That is either x is equal to 0 or cos x is equal to sin x, x is equal to pi by 4. Okay. Now solve for x. Tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x equal to half tan inverse x. Okay. This tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x is tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x equal to half tan inverse x. Okay. Now tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Pi by 4 equal to half tan inverse x plus tan inverse x. For the pi by 4 equal to 3 by 2 tan inverse x now. Okay. The 2 cut out. For pi by 6 equal to tan inverse x on the കിട്ടും. അപ്പോൾ x ന്റെ value tan pi by 6, that is 1 by root 3. Okay.